process to fix authentication error has occurred remote desktop in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type edit group policy. Click here to open it. Then expand administrative templates. Then expand system folder. Then select credential delegation. On the right side, right click on encryption oracle remediation and click on edit. Then select enable option and select protection level as vulnerable. Then click on apply and then OK. Close this window. Again go to search bar and type regedit. Click here to open it. Then expand HKey local machine. Then expand software folder. Then expand Microsoft folder. Scroll down and search for Windows. Expand it. Then expand current version. Then expand policies folder. Right click on system. Click on new and select key. Then name it as CREDSSP and hit enter. Right click on it, select new and click on key and name it as parameters and hit enter. On the right side, right click anywhere, click on new and select DWORD 32-bit value and name it as allow encryption oracle and hit enter. Right click on it, click on modify and change the value data as to 2 and select decimal in the base and click on OK. Close this window and restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.